You are watching April of 2019 Sunset Strip Billboard Row update. Here's, as always, our Marine. He's running through the mud. Marine recruitment poster. Here is the Avengers movie. I don't know why looks like it's lighted or it's reflective. Let's see what's going on in Laugh Factory. I'll focus on this screen. Tonight, Kathy Griffin. Sean Josie. Jordan Rock. Ron Crack. People like always trying to get in. It's been 2 years since we started documenting billboards in West Hollywood. There were some changes. House of Blues with rusted roof is gone. Right now it's like close to 10-story building instead of that. Finishing. Hustler romantic store moved across the street into a tiny storefront. Also close to the end of the strip, on intersection of the Heyday, new building there. Netflix, Marshmallow and Palm, Las Vegas. Another Netflix. 2 years ago there were Netflix as well, but now it's infested with Netflix. HBO. This vertical is always some kind of Apple product. Now it's Earth shot on iPhone. Passing Pink Taco restaurant. And here is actual movie in theaters, April 19. Over there, little HBO poster on top. This is some kind of designer. Netflix on the left. Passing Cabo Cantina, giant cheap drinks. Standard Hotel. Netflix. FX channel. Carney's train cart, restaurant cart. Isabel Marant or something. HBO. This is probably fashion. This electronic billboard always NBC and does hotel. Here is the place that used to be House of Blues. It's gone. Comedy store. I wanted to stop, but there's car breaking out. Can't tell who's tonight. Mondrian Hotel and Sky Bar over there, that garage gate, but I never see people go there lately. What's this? In theaters, PG-13, Mother's Day weekend. Good to know. It's marijuana delivery app. Dog Journey, May 17 in theaters. This is Michael Kors fashion. Alright, this billboard is always Comedy Central. I don't know if I wanna pronounce it. I wanna appear ridiculous. Okay, this is Amazon Prime Video. Drink Babe. I don't know what kind of water it is. Double Shot Love. Here's Realtor. 2 years ago He was with his partner, together, happy couple. Now he is alone, and his office over here across the street with some kind of giant Harley Davidson inside. Here is marijuana product. Ignite your life. Watch store. Netflix. Another Netflix. Chasing Bonnie and Clyde. Kevin Costner speak in redneck accent, like fake accent, hard to get. You see Netflix Our Planet. You would expect like BBC Earth documentary with little savannah melting like polar caps. Instead they show bleached corals and blame you for global warming. Showtime. So it's fail. Our planet is fail. Patronizing and stupid. Another Netflix. Another Netflix on the left. Tower record was Gibson guitar. Now it's empty again. Another Netflix. There is some kind of flower company, bong, probably marijuana product. Here is Hustler, new location, romantic, whiskey go-go. Michael Schenker. Two guitars on top. HBO on full wall. This is Hustler used to be here on the left. We have moved. Okay. That vertical Apple Music. Billie Eilish, Roxy and Rainbow. Another Netflix billboard. Nakedwardrobe.com. Here is marijuana products. This is the building that was empty spot instead of building 2 years ago. April 7, AMC. Another Netflix. West Hollywood needs to do something about this Netflix infestation. White Claw, hard seltzer, 5% alcohol. We're gonna turn around after this Roku sushi. TBS. I'm gonna drive back to where we started. There is Pikachu, Pokemon, Detective, May 10 in theaters. HBO, full wall. What did she buy? Taking steak from bar restaurant or what? Bar. Another Netflix. Fashion on the left, yes. One more Netflix, getting predictable. Disney hits for whole family, $14.99 on Apple Music, you believe it? Another guitar. Those two used to be Netflix, and now it's Earth shot on iPhone. 2 monkeys, 2 penguins. True TV, Tacoma FD. Viper Room, nothing. Santa Clarita Diet was 2 years ago, first one, this one second. They can't stop. This billboard had always Google phones. What are they called? IAC, I think it's some kind of technology company. April 12 in theaters. Netflix. I don't know what stars. Fashion. Такая органика. There is a horse on top. Sunset Plaza. Le Petit Four. It stands for Little French Foods. And of course, candle. Patio. Again, Our Planet, 2 Netflix billboards. So they took something similar like BBC Earth, hired some British old fart, and his with patronizing voice makes you guilty for contributing to global warming by your existence. Here is missing sign sunset on this white wall. I usually take thumbnail here. I guess I'll add word sunset in pink letters later. Yeah, showtime. Also, 2 years ago they had Louis C.K. Netflix billboard. Check it out. It's gone. No more. Billboard Award. May 1st. Another Netflix. Oh, Kardashians. They won't go away. Now all together. A&E, Twin Line Zone, CBS, local access. It's like they compete with Netflix, I guess, CBS. Coach, fashion. Stars on the left. Western Saloon with barbecue ribs and stuff. This is my favorite. I like the color, so fresh. Louis Vuitton, Bravo. Another Netflix. Virgin Atlantic. Here is Jennifer Lopez. Pretty Little Thing. Doesn't have .com. I don't know if it's website or not. Saint Laurent again. Some vegan guy. Not even muscles. Horrible. Warrior Cinemax, April 5th. Another HBO. Strip bar. Body shop. 18 and over, it means open until 4 and fully, totally naked. If it's 21 and over, then it's only bikini, but plus alcohol. Gotta have priority while you're going there. So FX. Here is cannabis. What are they saying? Yeah, it's just cannabis store with address on Pico Boulevard. Gucci, Olala Johnson, Polo, Ralph Lauren, Nobotnik, Netflix. All those three, last night they had Queer Eye on Netflix, all three billboards. Today they changed them. What's on the bus stop? What's that name here? It's a comedy, probably. All right. We're back to where we started. This one is YouTube Originals. Another marshmallow in Palm Springs. Alright, thanks for watching. It was April 15, 2019, American Tax Day.